Alright guys, so we got everything loaded up here. Got the bag, double checked everything. It's definitely heavy. First trip of the year, it's gonna be cold, a lot of extra pack weight. That's my bag there, my boots. Got Peanut's bag, she's right behind the camera. She's getting anxious. She knows when that bag comes out that we're going on a trip. Alright, let's get the FJ loaded up. Alright, so we finally got here. The road is closed, so we're going to have to walk in a little bit down a paved road to actually get to Echo Lake. And looks like we're fully packed, ready to go. Hell of snow.
It's not bad.
Good girl, honey.
My stove.
She smells something.
Yeah.
Your stove's still in her back?
It's right. It's like it's bulge right there.
Alright, so we made it to Tamarack. Literally right now, and now we're gonna drink beer. Cheers.
Just a hair under 4 miles.
4 miles? So we're gonna sit back, drink a little whiskey, and then find a campsite. Everything's pretty much covered, but hopefully we'll find something clear.
Lake is totally covered.
Yeah, that's the lake over there. That looks like a field. Alright, so it's Tuesday morning. It's like 10:30. We just got out of the tents like maybe 45 minutes ago, and it's snowing. Yeah, it wasn't forecasted for snow, so I don't know. We're just gonna have to deal with it. Probably means we're not gonna be moving around a lot today. But yeah, last night was so windy. There were times when I thought the stakes were gonna come out and the tent would flip. Luckily it didn't though. And yeah, it's gotta be like 50-mile-an-hour winds. And now snow. Might not be moving around too much today. Started to turn into rain, I think.
Yeah. The sun's starting to come out too.
Is it?
Yeah, you can see it's getting lighter.
That wind is kicking yours.
Huh?
Wind's pushing yours over a little bit.
Yeah, it's been doing that the whole fucking time. It just goes like this, and then it goes back. I just feel like I need to like tie a line like right here. You know?
Do you have that rope still?
It's all in use.
Oh, is it? I thought there was more. No, there's more right there.
Oh, is there?
Yeah. It's half frozen, but
It's half frozen.
all right. So it's Tuesday morning. Me and Mike, we dealt with wind all night, and when we woke up at like 9,
9:30.
sleet, snow, starting to turn into rain now a little bit, but the gusts have definitely been like very strong. We're probably going to stay in place for a little while and just kind of see what happens. We were going to move up to Lake Aloha today, but I don't know if that's going to work out or not. We got like a whiteout like half mile away. You can't even see the mountains anymore. So we'll just kind of see what happens. We had to tighten our tents down because we definitely lost a lot of the tension from the wind all night. And Mike's trying to figure out how to guy line a piece of his tent out. I'll show you that. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but I guess it's still snow. There's not any rain yet. I think it's about 11 o'clock. It's getting cold, so we kind of decided to just shelter in place for a little while, and I'm gonna try to cook here outside my tent without getting too wet. The snow has turned to rain, so we're kind of just trying to stay dry. The wind's still kicking too. Alright, we're gonna try to make some food here. So, gonna vent this a little bit. It's a little bit vented. We'll try to do it right here. Calls for 8 ounces. Should only take a minute or two. Kind of sketchy doing it inside the tent though. We'll burn a hole in this tent. It will be so cold in there. You know when it's ready because that little starts to vibrate. The wind's going crazy. There we go. We got boil. So we'll shut that off. I might regret doing this, but I'm going to pour it inside the tent. Perfect. And that's still hot. Alright, it's been 5-6 minutes. I just drained the... So the eggs and bacon is awesome. I forgot to show what I'm going to put on it. Got a little single serve Parmesan cheese, some RB sauce, croutons, and a packet of ketchup. So it's gonna go pretty good. So now it's 1:10. The wind hasn't let up at all, and it's been snowing the whole time. So we've kind of just been hiding out in our tents, hoping that it's gonna let up. Might just be staying here for the rest of the day. If we pack up, we'll be packing up a wet tent and wet gear, moving to another spot where it's probably gonna be the same conditions. Yeah, we'll just see. Sunlight! I see sunlight! It looks like it's just gonna keep coming. I'm gonna see if I can go try to make a phone call over here. The wind's kind of on and off still, but definitely not as bad as it was last night. Just listening to a little bit of music, getting ready to go to bed. Peanuts balled up in here somewhere. Just down there. So I'm gonna try to get some sleep. All right, so it's day 3, exit day. It's 11 o'clock. Me and Mark are gonna pack up here. The weather finally let up. It's been nice. The wind died. We survived the snowstorm and the wind and the wetness. If you look, the lake actually froze over last night. A little bit. Oh, you can see it. Definitely got cold. Alright, so I'll just show us packing up and walking back. Alright, so I got everything cleared out of the tent except for her. ready to be packed into the bag. There it is. So it's exit day, and the sun's been kind of peeking out. It's still overcasty, but we're getting patches of sun, which is really nice, and the wind has died a ton, and no snow or hailstorms today. Of course, it's the day that we're leaving. We only made it to Lake Tamarack. We were aiming for at least Aloha. We kind of got locked in here because of the hail and wind and snow yesterday. So yeah, we got everything packed up.
Yeah,
Damn straight, it does feel really good to sit in a chair.
it does. Forgot what a chair felt like, man.
So we made it out 3 days, right?
3 days, 2 nights.
First day we walked in, we made it to Tamarack, which wasn't the goal, but it was windy, so the first night we stopped there, and then all of our second night, all of Tuesday, was just like super strong winds and hail and snow and sleet, and then that would melt, so we just kind of sheltered in place for all of Tuesday.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah,
we were trying to do 20 miles, so we ended up doing like closer to 10. Found out that our 3 season tents are totally capable in 4 season conditions, which is cool.
Yeah, very strong winds too.
Yeah, nobody flipped a tent, nobody got hurt.
I did lose my sock, my tent sock.
Oh yeah, you did, that was funny.
That was a like 70-mile-an-hour gust. But other than that, man, it was all good.
The tent sock flew away,
Mm-hmm.
and we just kind of stared at each other.
I'm like, we're like, are you going after it?
Yeah.
I ain't running that. I ain't going in that snow to get that. Screw it, I don't need it.
I was like, well, it's not mine.
I didn't. There's no way I was chasing that thing.
What came in most handy? We
my,
kind of
my stove.
stove, yeah.
For sure, dude.
Yeah.
The best piece of gear. But yeah, I mean, it's all important, I guess. It all had a function, I guess.
Because we packed thinking it was going to be rain the second day, but it turned out to be snow and ice, like a lot colder than I thought.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I mean, I think the stove definitely was the game changer. If we didn't have warm stuff to eat, like,
Oh, it sucks, dude. I would have been like, let's get out of here during that storm.
yeah, that would.
Yeah, and having a really warm sleeping bag too. That really was a game changer.
I always have peanut, so I feel like that bag's not really that warm. It's just I always have her.
Yeah,
Like,
it's a good trip, man. Good trip. It was the first snowstorm during a backpacking trip, and that was we know we can handle it, and we're ready for winter. Although summer's on its way, so we'll have to wait.